Now we want to show another app that we can use exclusively with Park documents. Actually, this app is like an information system report that we can use to check the changes of a Park document. And for this, we are in Fiori, and in the account receivable group of apps, we will start the Park Journal Entry Changes app. Let's enter the ID of our company code, the document number, and we will enter the ID of the fiscal year. And when we click continue, the app will recover all the fields that that have experienced some changes, and it will show them here as a list. So of course, each one of these lines, it's a good starting point to see what fields have been changed for that document. But it's not enough information, because we actually want to see the previous value and the current value, and see even, for example, what was the date in which the change happened. So to get to the detail, we only need to double click the line. Let's start now with the document date. As you can see, well, at first we have the date in which the change happened, the field that was impacted by the change, and we have the old value and the new value that now the document has. So here, for example, we just moved from 18 to 19 May. But of course, we might want to check also the other changes, so we can just go back. And now, for example, let's double click the reference document number. And well, we have the date again in which the change happened, the field that was impacted. And this is a special situation because the old field value, it's empty, just this column is completely empty. Because if you remember, when we first parked the document, we didn't enter anything in the reference field. And then we modified some values for our document. And in that scenario, we entered the reference ID. So well, it went from being just blank to having a value. That happened with the reference. Something similar happened with the item text. So let's just explore that a bit. In which, again, at first, when we just parked the document, it was completely empty. When we modified some of the fields of the park document, we also modified the text. We entered this test of park. And we also have, of course, the date and the field affected. So we have seen all the changes that were relevant for this particular document. So with this, we can just quit the app. We can just close it. And we finish the lesson, inviting you to check the coming one. So you can see how can we complete the document and park, after we have parked it, and we can post it.